Hello and welcome back. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone else you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Also, if you saw where I made a mistake yesterday, leave a comment down below. Hopefully today will go better. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 86. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 2, 4, and no help here, 2, 4, 6. If we look at this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, 8 here. So 9, that 4 makes this our 8. 4, that 4 makes this our 2. So we can get rid of this 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 6, 7. 4 and 6 here, so 3, 7. 4 here, so 3, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so 6, 7. 6 and 7 here, and 1 here. Makes this our 5. And so with that 1 and 5, this is 6, 7. And no help here. So 1, 6, 7. But now if we look, the only place in that row our 1 can be is here. And in this box, the only place our 4 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 6. And 4. And we can get rid of the 6. For this top row now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 9. No help here, 6, 8, 9. 9 here, so 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 2, 5. This 8 comes up and makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 3, 1, and that 3 makes this our 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 6, 7. This 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 7 here and a 9 here, so this is our 2. 6 and 9 here, so this is our 7. Six here, so 9, 6. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. This 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.